Samsung has introduced its new Flex titanium display technology for its next generation of Galaxy foldable devices. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The display features a new structure that uses material advancements to offer a more durability with a less noticeable crease. Samsung says it was built on 7 generations of foldable innovation and engineering expertise, which means it'll launch with a Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Flip 8, which are expected to be unveiled at its upcoming Unpacked event on July 22nd. The company developed 2 components for the new display technology. One of them is a titanium alloy film that sits beneath the OLED panel, giving the display 20 times greater mechanical stiffness. And then there is a titanium plate which provides stable support when the device is unfolded and retains the flexibility the phone needs to withstand repeated folding. The new titanium plate eliminates air gaps between the module and it's adhesive through advanced post-processing technology. EVP for Samsung Display said, "The micro-patterned holes in the folding section of the titanium plate provide flexibility with robust durability. There are only a few days left before we can see for ourselves whether the next generation of Samsung devices truly have less visible folds." However, earlier this year at CES, Samsung showed a device with an invisible crease at the center, which made the Samsung phone with an older display tech with a very visible crease look messy by comparison. Sources also spotted a leaked video of the next Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, which shows a very smooth screen that has no visible creases. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.